Hey everyone! Welcome to this easy yoga routine for complete beginners. If you're new to yoga or just looking for a gentle practice, this 10-minute session is perfect for you. And you can do it right at home. Alright, let's get started. First, let's begin with a simple seated position. Cross your legs comfortably. Sit up tall. And place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale. Feel your body relax with each breath. And let go of any tension. Next, let's move into cat-cow stretches. Come to your hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders. Knees under hips. Inhale. Arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone towards the sky. This is cow pose. Exhale. Round your spine. Tucking your chin and tailbone. Into cat pose. Repeat this a few times. Moving with your breath. Now, let's transition into downward facing dog. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape. Keep your knees slightly bent if needed. And let your head hang heavy. Take a few deep breaths here. Feel the stretch along your back and legs. From here, walk your feet towards your hands. Coming into a forward fold, bend your knees generously. And let your upper body hang. Grab opposite elbows. And gently sway side to side, releasing any tension in your lower back. All right, let's come up to a standing position. Slowly roll up, one vertebra at a time, until you're standing tall in mountain pose. Feet hip-width apart, arms by your sides, and shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath in and out, grounding yourself. Now, let's try some gentle standing poses. Step your right foot back. Coming into Warrior One, bend your front knee, lift your arms overhead, and gaze forward. Hold for a few breaths, feeling strong and steady. Then, switch sides, stepping your left foot back into Warrior One, and hold. Finally, let's wind down with a gentle stretch. Sit back down, extend your legs in front of you, and reach for your toes in a seated forward fold. Go as far as you comfortably can, and breathe deeply. Feel the stretch along your hamstrings and back. To finish, lie down on your back, arms by your sides, and legs extended. Close your eyes. Taking a few moments to relax in Savasana, let your body sink into the mat and enjoy this peaceful rest. And there you have it, a simple 10-minute yoga routine for complete beginners. Remember, practice regularly and listen to your body. Thanks for joining me today. And see you next time. Namaste.